The reviews are mostly positive and supportive of the product, although some may point out some drawbacks or limitations, such as the product is kind of expensive compared to other garden kits in the market, although it offers more value and quality. The product may not work for everyone or for every situation, as some people may have allergies or sensitivities to certain plants or herbs. The product may require some time and effort to grow and maintain the plants, as well as to learn how to use them properly. Overall, the reviews suggest that the Medicinal Garden Kit is a good product for anyone who wants to grow their own backyard pharmacy and use natural alternatives to conventional medicine. What are some of the herbs and plants included in the kit? The kit includes seeds for 10 different herbs and plants that have various medicinal properties and uses. According to the official website and some of the reviews, these are some of the herbs and plants included in the kit. Each one of them can be grown in a small plot in your backyard and used to make various natural remedies for your health. Chicory, a natural painkiller that can also help with digestion, liver health, and blood sugar regulation. Yarrow, a backyard wound healer that can stop bleeding, prevent infection, and reduce inflammation. California poppy, a better alternative to sleeping pills that can induce sleep without side effects, as well as relieve anxiety, stress, and pain. Marshmallow, a digestive aid that can soothe stomach ulcers, acid reflux, constipation, and diarrhea, as well as support respiratory health and skin healing. Chamomile, a popular tea and digestive aid that can also act as a natural antibiotic, anti-inflammatory, antispasmodic, and antidepressant. Evening primrose, a natural skin and nerve remedy that can help with eczema, acne, psoriasis, arthritis, neuropathy, and menstrual problems. Lavender, an anti-inflammatory herb that can also help with insomnia, stress, headaches, depression, and skin infections. Echinacea, an immune-boosting herb that can help fight colds, flu, infections, allergies, and inflammation. Calendula, a skin-healing herb that can help with wounds, burns, rashes, insect bites, and fungal infections. Feverfew, a nature's aspirin that can help with migraine attacks, fever, arthritis, and menstrual cramps. How do I grow and prepare these plants? The way to grow and prepare medicinal plants depends on the type of plant, the growing conditions, and the desired form of use. However, some general steps and tips are: growing, choose a location that has adequate sunlight, water, and drainage for your plants. You can grow them in pots, containers, or raised beds, depending on your space and preference. Use organic soil and compost to enrich the soil and avoid chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Plant the seeds or seedlings according to the instructions on the package or the guide that comes with the kit. Water regularly but not excessively. And weed out any unwanted plants that may compete with your medicinal plants. Harvest the plants when they are mature and healthy, usually before they flower or seed. Cut them in the morning or evening, when the temperature is cooler and the essential oils are more concentrated. Preparing. Depending on the type of plant and the part you want to use, leaves, flowers, roots, etc. You may need to wash, dry, chop, or grind them before using them. You can use fresh or dried plants for making various natural remedies, such as teas, tinctures, oils, salves, poultices, etc. To make a tea, steep a handful of fresh or dried herbs in boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes. To make a tincture, soak the herbs in alcohol, such as vodka, for several weeks in a dark glass jar, shaking it daily. To make an oil, heat the herbs in a carrier oil, such as olive oil, over low heat for a few hours or in a crock pot for a few days. To make a salve, melt beeswax and add the infused oil and any other ingredients, such as essential oils, you want. To make a poultice, mash or blend the fresh herbs with some water to form a paste and apply it to the affected area. These are some of the ways to grow and prepare medicinal plants. You can also refer to the guide that comes with the kit for more specific instructions and recipes for each plant. What are some of the benefits of using natural remedies? Some of the benefits of using natural remedies are: They are often more cost-effective than conventional medicines, as they use readily available and affordable ingredients, such as herbs, spices, fruits, and vegetables. They help boost the immune system and support the body's ability to heal itself, rather than suppressing the symptoms or interfering with the natural balance of the body. They have fewer or milder side effects than synthetic drugs, as they are more compatible with the body's physiology and metabolism. However, some natural remedies may still cause allergic reactions, interactions, or overdoses if not used properly. They have a holistic approach that considers the physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual aspects of health, rather than focusing on a single disease or organ. They also address the root cause of the problem, rather than masking it temporarily. They have a long history of use and effectiveness, as they have been tested and refined by generations of people who relied on them for their health and well-being. These are some of the benefits of using natural remedies. However, they are not a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment. You should always consult your doctor before using any natural remedy, especially if you have a chronic condition, are pregnant or breastfeeding, or are taking any medication. How do I use the plants for my health? The way to use the plants for your health depends on the type of plant, the part you want to use, leaves, flowers, roots, etc. And the form of use, tea, tincture, oil, salve, etc. However, some general ways to use medicinal plants for health are: teas. Teas are one of the simplest and most common ways to use medicinal plants. They are made by steeping fresh or dried herbs in hot water for a few minutes. Teas can be used to treat various conditions, such as colds, coughs, sore throat, digestive issues, insomnia, stress, and more. Some examples of medicinal plants that can be used as teas are chamomile, ginger, peppermint, lavender, and echinacea. Tinctures. Tinctures are concentrated liquid extracts of medicinal plants. They are made by soaking herbs in alcohol or glycerin for several weeks, then straining and bottling the liquid. Tinctures can be taken orally or applied topically for various purposes, such as boosting immunity, reducing inflammation, relieving pain, and healing wounds. Some examples of medicinal plants that can be used as tinctures are echinacea, garlic, ginseng, turmeric, and calendula. Oils. Oils are another way to extract the beneficial compounds from medicinal plants. They are made by heating herbs in a carrier oil, such as olive oil or coconut oil, over low heat for a few hours or days. Oils can be used topically or internally for various purposes, such as moisturizing the skin, soothing burns and rashes, reducing infection and inflammation, and enhancing mood. Some examples of medicinal plants that can be used as oils are lavender, rosemary, thyme, oregano, and chamomile. Salves. Salves are semi-solid mixtures of oils and beeswax that can be applied to the skin for healing and protection. They are made by melting beeswax and adding infused oils and other ingredients, such as essential oils or honey, as desired. Salves can be used to treat various skin conditions, such as wounds, burns, bites, eczema, psoriasis, and fungal infections. Some examples of medicinal plants that can be used as salves are calendula, aloe vera, yarrow, marshmallow, and evening primrose. These are some of the ways to use medicinal plants for your health. You can also refer to the guide that comes with the kit for more specific instructions and recipes for each plant. Where can I buy the kit? You can buy the kit from the official website of the product you will find in the description. You can also find it on some online platforms, such as Amazon or eBay, but make sure you buy from a reputable seller and check the reviews and ratings before you order. The kit may not be available in physical stores or pharmacies, as it is a specialized and limited product. If you want to buy the kit, you should hurry up, as it is in high demand and may run out of stock soon. What are some of the risks or limitations of using natural remedies? Some of the risks or limitations of using natural remedies are: they may not be effective or proven for certain conditions or symptoms, as they may lack scientific evidence or rigorous testing to support their claims. Some natural remedies may have no effect at all or even worsen the condition. They may have side effects or interactions with other drugs, supplements, or foods, as they contain active chemicals that can affect the body's functions and metabolism. Some natural remedies may cause allergic reactions, toxicity, overdose, or withdrawal symptoms if not used properly. They may be contaminated, adulterated, or mislabeled, as they are not regulated by the FDA or other authorities for their safety, quality, or purity. Some natural remedies may contain harmful substances, such as heavy metals, pesticides, or synthetic drugs, that are not listed on the label or disclosed to the consumer. They may delay or replace conventional treatment, as some people may rely on natural remedies instead of seeking professional medical advice or treatment. This can result in misdiagnosis, worsening of the condition, or complications that could have been prevented or treated earlier. These are some of the risks or limitations of using natural remedies. However, they do not mean that natural remedies are always bad or ineffective. They just mean that you should be careful and informed when using them and always consult your doctor before trying a natural remedy, especially if you have a chronic condition, are pregnant or breastfeeding, or are taking any medication. Thanks for watching.